Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So today we are going to discuss importance of water in living organisms. Organisms need water because it plays a vital role in the reactions taking place within organism's cell and body. Water acts as a universal solvent, providing a medium for chemical reactions to occur. Substances are also transported from one part of the body to the another in dissolved state. Therefore, it is necessary for the organisms to maintain a certain level of water within their bodies in order to stay alive. Causes of water pollution. So, the dissolved fertilizers, chemicals, pesticides, percolated with rainwater from the fields. These causes water pollution. Waste from industries, they cause water pollution. Breeding of decomposers microorganisms in water are the major sources or causes for water pollution. So children, we are all aware that water pollution is one of the major problem related to environment hitting. So these are the different causes for water pollution. Now what is soil formation? Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks at or near the surface of the earth through various physical, chemical and biological processes by various factors such as sun, wind, living organisms, water, etc. So if we talk about sun, during daytime the rocks are heated. This causes rocks to expand. During night time these rocks cool down and contract. Since all the parts of the rock do not undergo expansion and contraction at the same rate, this causes cracks in the rocks. These cracks lead to the breaking of huge rocks into simpler, smaller pieces. Water. Water catalyzes the process of formation of soil in two ways. Water goes into the cracks and crevices formed in the rocks. When this water freezes, its volume increases. As a result, the size of the crack also increases. This helps in the weathering of rocks. Running water wears away hard rocks over long periods of time. Water moving in fast speed carries big and smaller particles of rock downstream. These rocks rub against each other, resulting in breaking down of rocks. These smaller particles are carried away by running water and deposited down its path. Wind. Strong winds carry away rocks, which causes rubbing of rocks. This results in breaking down of rocks into smaller and smaller particles. Living organisms. Some living organisms like lichens help in the formation of soil. Lichens also grow on rocks. During their growth, lichens release certain substances which causes the rock surface to powder down, forming a thin layer of soil. On this thin layer of soil, some small particles like moss also grow. They further cause the breaking down of rock particles. So children, I hope you have understood the explained part.